What's going on, everybody? We have another new knife in the house, and it is by TwoSun. The typical mystery box. So let's slide this sucker open. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything coming up. We have a lot of cool stuff coming up in the future here, and we always have new knives. Ooh, yeah, I've been waiting for this one. This one's a hot one. It's a little on the pricier side these days, so let's get out a knife here to open that up. There, just whack it with a Civivi. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm liking the looks of this one. Some of the TwoSun's knives tend to be a little on the small side, so this one's a little bit bigger than some of their knives that they've been making. So this is a little closer to 8 inches. So, oh yeah, look at that. There's your blade steel, 14C28N. Oops. Failed on that one. Then there's your Tanto. Oh yeah, that's nice. Sturdy lockup. Typical TwoSun. It's totally floating in oil. So just try to get some of that off there. Yeah, totally coated in oil. Yeah, very nice. Look at that. Nice lockup. About 35%. Yeah, that's nice. Nice detent there. Yeah, she's got a... Yeah, that'll break in real nice. Yeah. Yeah, so there you go. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, that feels good in the hands. There could be some jimping up here. That's the only thing that I'm noticing right off the bat, that there could be some jimping right there. That would be really nice because it's super, super slick. But all the edges are nicely knocked down. Ooh, nice sharp tip right there. Look at that. Nice edge. Nice Tanto secondary tip there. Yeah, everything's really nicely knocked down, even in the hole. Yeah. Yeah, that feels real nice in the hand. That's a nice handle. Nice, smooth handle. I really wish everybody would move up into bigger hardware. This little hardware can be so fragile, but very little hardware, at least. Obviously, your pocket clip is only on one side. It's nice ball on there. Got a nice stiff detent there on there. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, you can actually shake it open. You get your fingers off that lock bar, she will float. But it's got a pretty good detent though. Yeah. But if you do it just right, yeah, she gets your way back here, and good snap. You can actually snap it open. But if you touch the lock bar at all, it won't do it. But yeah, that's nice. I like that. That feels really nice in the hands. And that's a big blade too. I mean, just a quick little comparison. The Civivi Elementum, you can see, I mean, it's got a much taller blade. I like that. That's nice. Super smooth too. Just, it might, when you break it in, she might just be super drop shutty. I can tell you that right now. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice. Yeah. Yeah, these are a little pricey right now. Some of them are. I paid $175, I think, for it, and it's not unusual for these when they're in their bidding wars to go above 200. So, but anyway, there you guys go. That's the new TwoSun TS300 Tanto. Have a great day, guys. We will catch you next time.